Join me as I take on the challenge of making Peri Peri Bites. Peri Peri Bites, most mouth-watering. If you're new here, let me introduce you to the most addictive snack out there. The ingredients are simple yet genius. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect snack that satisfies my cravings. But what makes Peri Peri Bites so special? For starters, the flavor profile is unlike anything else out there. It's spicy, tangy, savory, and slightly sweet all at once. A blend of spices, herbs, and a hint of peri peri seasoning that creates an addiction-worthy flavor. And let's not forget the texture: crunchy on the outside, soft and cheesy on the inside. In the end, it's clear why Peri Peri Bites are my snack of choice. They're the perfect combination of flavor, texture, and indulgence. If you haven't tried them yet, what are you waiting for? So, what's your go-to snack? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more foodie fun.